Got a Honda Accord here. I'm going to show you how to replace your front brake pads. This is going to be a quick video. So you need, take the wheel out. Got my jack and jack stand right there. You got these two bolts right here. They are 12 millimeter. Go ahead and take those two bolts off. Then we're gonna take the caliper out and let it sit right there. Now our next step is we're gonna compress the piston back, so you're gonna need a C-clamp for that. All right, so I took one of the old brake pads off and I put it against the piston right here. Then I got my C-clamp set up like that. Now when you do this, you're gonna push the old brake fluid back up here, so make sure that this doesn't overflow when you do that. We're gonna go ahead and slowly compress the piston back until it's all the way down. All right guys, so next step is, once after you compress the piston all the way back, get a wire brush and clean all that brake dust off. And you can also spray some brake cleaner on it all the way around it. Once you do that, replace the hardware. This one didn't come with new hardware, so I'm just gonna clean this up and then reuse them. But the new one, you just pop this off and then you clip it back onto the bracket. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the new brake pads in. This one goes in like this. One, the front one is this one right here. It goes in this way. There's two. And we're gonna apply some a little bit of brake grease right around here, and the back also, all the way right here. Also make sure that these sliding pins, they're sliding freely. If you feel like they're stuck, all you got to do is pull them out and clean this up and put new grease in them. Alright, then we're gonna go ahead and slide the caliper back on. Be careful with the brake line, make sure they're not twisted when you put them back on. Caliper goes in like this. Now this pin right here, make sure it sits flat. This flat side right here, make sure it sits flat right there, and also at the bottom. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and tighten this up. Like I said, make sure that this side right here is sitting flush against this piece right here, same as the bottom. That'll prevent it from, when you tighten the bolts, that'll prevent it from turning. Just go ahead and tighten both of these bolts up. Do the same side, the other side, the same process. When you get done, make sure you just spray a bunch of brake cleaner around the rotor, so get all the old brake dust off. And then you go inside the car and you pump the brake pedal about 3-4 times. Then you can crank up the car and take it for a test drive. And that's it guys. I hope this video helped you guys out. If it did, give me a thumbs up. Also click on the subscribe button guys. That'll help me with the algorithm. And again guys, thanks for watching.